The most important thing in nesting is material utilization, material utilization, material utilization. The more efficiently my routines work, the more parts I get out of my raw material, and the higher my profit. Classic nesters take large parts, place them in a certain position, hold this position, and then try to puzzle small parts around it. The power nesting module goes and moves all the pieces dynamically all the time until the best result for this board is determined. Furthermore, you can puzzle different panels simultaneously, and thus optimize an entire job across several panels at the same time. This has the advantage that you don't waste your filler pieces at the beginning, but still have filling pieces until the last board, thus saving material over the entire job.